Right, moving on, shifting focus amid a rise in the COVID cases, the Union Health Minister will hold a key meeting today with all the states. Union Minister Mansukh Mandaviya will review the preparedness of the hospitals and other COVID-related facilities, and within the last 24 hours alone, the total national case toll has gone up by 341, taking the overall tally of active cases to 2,311. Now, as the nation steps up vigil, Maharashtra has advised the citizens to wear masks. Meanwhile, Madhya Pradesh has also ramped up the testing. Karnataka too has advised elderly in the state to wear masks. Now, Delhi so far has 4 active cases, and after 3 new cases were detected in the last 24 hours. Kerala, where the first case of the new JN.1 variant was detected, now has a total of 2,041 active cases. It accounts for nearly 90% of the total cases, with the 292 cases in fact reported in the last 24 hours itself. Now, Kerala Health Minister Veena George has advised people visiting hospitals and high-risk groups and pregnant ladies to wear masks. Now, the resurgence of the virus has come with the new variant, the JN.1 variant, which the WHO has termed the variant of interest. Shweta, my colleague, is joining us live on the broadcast from Mumbai. Shweta, we see how there is an upsurge of COVID-19 cases in India with the new variant, the first case that has been reported in Kerala. But other states are in fact keeping the vigil high. Give us the details from Maharashtra.
Well, that's absolutely correct. In fact, if we just talk about the new Omicron subvariant JN.1, now this is a cause of worry to many. And if we just talk about Maharashtra, very recently what we understand is that there has been an advisory issued after Karnataka. It's the state of Maharashtra where COVID, in view of COVID, wearing mask has been advised to the senior citizens and to people, those who are already suffering from respiratory issues. Here we see that if we talk about Mumbai, there have been 13 new COVID cases, but in the state there have been 24 new COVID cases. As of now, the trend did not really show that there has been a rise in COVID cases, but nevertheless, the state health department is on high alert after the the state of Kerala has been reporting the new subvariant of Omicron, that is JN.1. Similarly, to back up with all their all their medical kits, what we understand is that the state of Maharashtra has already issued the advisory. Now, this has also come from Union Minister of Health Mansukh Mandaviya. He has also stated that the states should particularly prepare themselves to fight against the new variant of COVID at this point of given time. Now, remember, when it comes to COVID, the state of Maharashtra is not showing a sudden surge or something, but yes, as we talk, the Department of Health is being prepared as far as the new variant is concerned.
Right, Shweta, appreciate you for joining us and giving us the details from Maharashtra. Well, of course, the new variant, the JN.1 variant, has been termed as the variant of interest by the WHO, and India has amped up its vigil. Well, in terms of Karnataka, the people above 60 have been asked to mask up, and in fact, other measures are also in place. Ishika, my colleague, is joining us from the national capital. Ishika, when it comes to New Delhi, well, COVID vigil is on the spot. Give us the details as to the number of cases as of now and what are the measures that are being taken.
Well, Priyanka, while on December 8th, the first case of JN.1 COVID-19 was detected in Kerala. After that, all the states, including national capital, have been on high alert. In fact, we have also seen how the union government has continuously sent advisories for all the state governments to follow to maintain a vigil, especially with the New Year and Christmas coming. Now, in fact, let me also tell you that today, the union government is also going to hold a review meeting as well over as to what is the preparedness of the hospitals, of the other facilities related to the COVID, for the COVID patients, in this week. If we talk about the health minister here, also in the national capital, Saurabh Bharadwaj, he is also in fact doing surprise visits at the hospitals to see as to what are the measurements that has been taken by the hospital to protect of it, and for preparing for COVID. So certainly, if we talk about the whole country is currently on high alert, especially the national capital,
Okay.
vitally are being spent.
All right. All right, Ishika, appreciate you joining us and giving us all the details there. So those are the measures being taken by the officials and administrations to curtail the spread of COVID-19. We will be tracking in more details on that, but now